Good day everyone, I'm Jasmine Rodriguez from BTLEIA3A and today I will discuss about the 4-stroke engine cycle. So before we proceed, let us know the parts of this engine. So first is the intake valve open, so dito siya. Air fuel mixture, combustion chamber, piston, ito, connecting rod, crankshaft, spark plug, and the exhaust valve. So, yung first event na mangyayari is yung intake. So, i-drawing muna natin siya. Intake. Yung intake, nakabukas yung intake valve niya. Then, nakasara yung exhaust valve. Yung piston niya, nandito sa bottom dead center. Then, the connecting rod. The connecting rod dito. Dito. So, yung intake valve, mag-open yan once na yung piston is bababa. So, bababa yung piston na yan. Para pumasok yung air fuel mixture. Air fuel mixture. So, papasok yung air fuel mixture na yan dito sa combustion chamber dito. And then, yung second motion niya is yung compression. Yung compression magsasara yung intake valve. Then, yung piston is nandito sa top dead center. Yung mga air fuel mixture nandito. Then, yung connecting rod niya dito. So, yan. Nakasara yung intake valve and exhaust valve. Yung piston, magpupush yan pataas. Iko-compress niya yung air fuel mixture na nandito sa combustion chamber. So, iko-compress niya para ma-high pressurize yung air fuel mixture. And then, pagkatapos niyan is yung power. So, power. Ito yung power. Dito. Paikot na naman na ganyan. So, yung power, once na nag-spark na tong spark plug, magkukos siya ng explosion. So, masusunog na yung mga air fuel mixture dito sa top dead center. Pagkatapos niyan, yung exhaust. So, exhaust. Magbubukas yung exhaust valve. Magbubukas yan. And then, yung piston, dahil sa explosion, bababa ulit yung piston. So, dito siya ulit sa bottom dead center. Dito. So, pagbaba niya, yung yung burned fuel gas, lalabas yan. Lalabas na dito sa exhaust valve. So, paulit-ulit lang na nangyayari yon para magkaroon ng power yung engine. So, yun yung sa 4-stroke engine cycle. Next naman is yung 2-stroke engine cycle. Yung 2-stroke engine cycle is it takes 2 stroke para makagawa ng power cycle. Yung movement niya is up and down lang, it is called as reciprocating movement. So, ito yung transfer port, yung intake port, and the exhaust port. So, now, ito yung, let's start. So, dito yung unang movement niya is nandito yung piston. So, nandito yung piston na yan. Nandito. So, yan. Nasa taas siya. Nasa taas yung piston na yan. Dito. And then, habang nasa taas yung piston is gumagawa na siya ng combustion. So, nagpa-power na siya. And then, mag-o-open yung intake port dito. Papasok yung air fuel mixture dito. So, habang nagpa-power siya, nandito na yung air fuel mixture. So, nagmi-mix-mix na sila dito. And then, once na bumaba naman to sa bottom dead center, so bababa yung piston from top dead center to bottom dead center. So, dito naman yung bottom. So, dito yung bottom and taas. So, once na nandito na yung piston dito sa bottom dead center, yung air fuel mixture, papasok yan dito sa transfer port. So, dadaan yan dito. So, habang pumapasok yung air fuel mixture, doon na mangyayari yung scavenging. Yung scavenging, it means yung process of removing exhaust gas. So, lalabas yan yung galing sa power kanina do sa combustion chamber, lalabas to. And, papalitan niya ng fresh air fuel mixture dito. So, habang nag-process to, lalabas yung burn gases sa exhaust valve. So, ganun lang yung process nung two-stroke, up and down, and mabilis lang. So, hindi tulad nung four-stroke. So, yung